Hello everyone, in this video I want to go through my latest workshop, which is the Mass Social Engine. Now this is an incredibly powerful system that I'm going to be showing you, and right in front of me you can actually see you've got all the information, so I'll leave the link below for you. I won't go into tons and tons of details because it's all listed here for you, so you can read that in your own time, but I wanted just to give you a few ideas about what this workshop is actually about. And we're actually going live pretty soon. We're going live in 9 days. If it is something that you're interested in, make sure you jump into it. But in a nutshell, I'm going to be showing you how to set up your very own self-running traffic generation, lead generation, and then follow-up conversion machine. At the end of this workshop, you'll have a bot that will auto market to your Facebook pages and LinkedIn profiles. You'll have a high converting landing page with an offer to grab your prospects information, and you'll be using my frameworks. I'll actually be giving you the template, and then we're going to be creating a automated follow-up system to convert those prospects into customers. Now, I've broken down this workshop into three main processes. So the first one is why automation is your future. You're not going to believe in the system unless you understand what is possible when you learn these sort of systems. And with this specific system, I want to really show you just how crazy we can get these. I mean, I'm actually going to dive deep into some of my automations and show you what is possible with setting up your own automations, just like Mass Social Engine. We're then going to be going through the actual system that we're going to be setting up, so you will learn all of the tools that you need in order to make this possible. And if I'm going to be brutally honest, what I'm going to show you would typically take people years to grasp, trying to find the right tools, trying to understand how they all connect and work together, and then actually implementing it in a practical way that actually gets results. But you'll learn this in just 2 to 3 hours. And then the final step of the process is setting the system up. So you're going to watch me over the shoulder set everything up. I'm going to be talking through every step that I do. Nothing will be left out, and you will have access to all the template files. You'll have copy and paste AI prompts, and the best thing about this is that you can actually customize this however you deem fit if you decide, or you can just copy and paste what I'm doing. You're going to learn how to set up a self-running marketing machine. It's going to generate traffic, it's going to generate leads, and it's going to generate sales. It's like the whole package. And if you were to go to a standard digital agency, they're going to charge you at least $2,000 per month to set up all of these systems. In fact, your first month would probably look closer to the $7,000 range, because they're going to charge you an additional $5,000 just to set up this style system. But you're not going to need to pay that or anywhere close to that, because I'm going to show you in this workshop how to do it. So let's just recap on what's in this workshop. So you're going to get a 2 to 3 hour workshop, which is going to show you how to set up the Mass Social Engine. This will let you create a never-ending supply of relevant content, traffic, and lead generation. And I'm not going to be using any jargon. It's going to be over-the-shoulder training, and you will be able to set this up at the end of the workshop. At the end of the workshop, we're also going to be doing a 30-minute Q&A. So if you've got any questions or anything on those lines, you can by all means drop them into the chat below, and I'll answer them there and then live. You'll be getting all of my specially crafted AI prompts, which are designed to get actual results. You're also going to get my one-page converter template. So this is like the 1-page template that I use just to generate tons and tons of leads online every single day. You're going to get my email series framework, so when we're following up on people, you can actually have a 30-day framework that's going to convince your clients or your prospects into paying customers. And then you'll also get the recorded version of the workshop, so you can always access everything. So you can access the training over and over and over in case you need to follow it or do little tweaks or just clarify something within the training. If this is something that interests you, click the link below, because we're going to be going live soon.